all. We got. Tell them what you got.
I got bananas that cook in coconut milk and some tuna, sashimi tuna. Tuna that cook in coconut milk. And fried fish right here. I don't want to take it off the pan because I like to dip my rice in the gillis and some papaya salad. What you got? Oh, and my dipping sauce is fucking. Sorry.
I got Spam because I didn't. Whatever. Kimchi and rice and some kimchi base, and that's all.
Yep. Oh, poor baby. Because I'm ready.
She has dog food in her. Hi, girl. You're still shivering.
Huh?
You're still shivering. My Jinky.
I told you to put her jacket on.
Oh. Look at your jacket.
How's she shivering? You cold, stinker.
Is it from here? Instead, I'm watching some Barbie on the side.
Dude.
What you do today? What did you do today?
Sleep. Shit. Until it's time to pick up my groceries. I didn't know that it's a pickup. I had to get up from my... Oh, I was so comfortable. I had to get up and go pick it up. Thank God it... Because I got the rice.
Omen?
Yeah, the big one. Most of the time, the big Walmart don't have the big rice.
I love the spinach and kimchi.
So, go buy my fish. And my... I cook it myself. It's bomb. I wish my mom could eat with us. Or what? You cold?
You want me to call her?
Yeah, sure.
I didn't know that.
I don't understand why my neck won't stop hurting. What the hell?
Answer so
Look.
quickly.
That's a small heart. That's his heart.
Hey, man.
That's his heart. Look.
Yeah. You.
Open my limit. Open my limit. Huh? Ultrasound. Oh.
I'm done. You got all it is.
You can flip that. No. Put some more of that into it. Era mit más. Mimi, okay. Oh, murió tu agua. That's a lot.
No, that's enough.
Where's the doctor? Ano ba tayo sa tigil? Ano ba tayo sa tigil? You want to say hi to Grandma?
Iya. Halo, Tika.
Say hi, Grandma.